So let's start, everybody.
Recording in progress.
Good morning, all of you. Let's go ahead. So we were doing depreciation, section number 32. Correct, everybody? So normal depreciation and additional depreciation. Correct, Elia? Now both these depreciation, what is common between both of them? There is a concept of half depreciation and full depreciation. For half depreciation, but you put to use less than 180 days. Correct? Full depreciation more than or at least 180 days. Clear till all of you? Arey haan. Correct, no? Now both these depreciation, what is called? Okay. Additional depreciation, but you tell me type of assessee. Only manufacturing, if the manufacturing is happening, or in the business of power, that is electricity. Then type of asset, only plant and machinery. Which plant and machinery? First hand or second hand or both will be allowed. Only bachcho first hand machinery. Okay till here? It should be a brand new plant and machinery compulsorily. Okay? It cannot be that assessee is the first owner if the asset was used even outside India. That means imported in India for the first time, used by the assessee for the first time. No. It should be a brand new asset. Only then you will get additional depreciation. What is the rate only? That the rate only of additional depreciation. How much? 20% for the year. 20% for the year. Plant and machinery. So normal rate of plant and machinery is 15% plus additional 20. Total we can go up to 35%. But if it is less than 180 days, then instead of 20% we'll give half, that is 10%. Clear till here? Fine? Chalo. Come to question number 6. Question number 8 was for homework, by the way. Any answer you got? I'll check that in some time. Chalo, theek hai. Come to question number 6 first. Ready? Question number 6. Mr. Gamma, so again individual, a proprietor, started a business of manufacturing of tires and tubes for motor vehicles. Started, okay, on 1/1/22. The manufacturing unit was set up on 1/5/22. He commenced his manufacturing operations on 1/6/22, next month. The total cost of the plant and machinery installed in the unit is 120 crore, total cost of P&M. The said P&M included second-hand plant and machinery brought for 20 crores and a new plant and machinery for scientific research related to the business of the assessee acquired at the cost of 15 crores. Compute amount of depreciation allowable under section 32 in respect of the AY 23-24. First of all, type of assessee, individual. Yes, till here? Is he in the business of manufacturing? Yes. Only on these two things, individual and manufacturing, can we claim additional depreciation? Yes. On which type of asset? Plant and machinery only. That also only what bacho? New. Hai na? So here they have given us, out of total 120 crore, 20 crore belongs to a second hand machinery. So on this 20 crore, we'll claim only normal depreciation. We cannot claim additional depreciation. Clear till here? Then, again out of 120 crore, there is one more asset, plant and machinery of 15 crore, but that is used where? In scientific research. Clear till here? Small basic only introduction I'm doing about that. What are the implications of that? I'll tell you in some time. Ready everybody? Okay. Write down. Question number 6, 7.38. Ready? Write down. Total cost of plant and machinery is how much? Rupees 120 crore. I will divide that into 3 categories now. Look in the question. Ready everybody? 20 crore, it is what बच्चों? About something second hand. Then 15 crores about scientific research something, है ना? So remaining is how much बच्चों? 35 gone from 120, so 85 rupees, 85 crore. Simple till here? All of you okay till here? Alright. Now 20 crore बच्चों, look in the question, is a second hand plant and machinery. My question to you is, can we give normal depreciation to this or no? Tell me this, yes or no? Can we give normal depreciation? Answer is yes. So I'll write down here. And additional depreciation not allowed. Understood earlier? Second hand means what बच्चों? Only normal depreciation will be allowed, additional depreciation not allowed. Okay, Indrajit, fine. Fine. 15 crores asset or plant and machinery बच्चों, 15 crores. It was used for scientific research. Okay, so right now. Used for scientific research. Fine till here? Now tell me बच्चों, what do you think overall as an economy or country? Scientific research बच्चों is encouraged or not? Encouraged or not? Encouraged. So here obviously the government or income tax department wants you to spend on R&D, research and development. For that you will require machinery. So you are encouraged to spend on R&D, that is scientific research. R&D means scientific research. So here what happens is there are certain sections which we will see. The next sections are that only. It is expenditure on scientific research, section number 35 in fact. The next one which we are going to cover. Okay? Correct. Is expenditure on scientific research, and there are certain subsection in that which allows 100% of deduction. 100% of deduction. But to understand the difference, it is not 100% depreciation. No. We are giving it as directly as a deduction. Understood or no? Everybody? Clear? Fine. Now try to understand again. As a normal accounting point of view, if I buy plant and machinery, am I going to debit my P&L? No. I will not debit the P&L. I will obviously capitalize in the books of asset, books of account, and a balance sheet item. Clear to all of you? However, from income tax point of view, we are allowing it as a deduction. That means as good as, I'm saying bacho, as good as it is considered as a revenue expense. Okay? Please don't put it in P&L. We cannot. But it is allowed as 100% bacho deduction. Clear till here? Fine? Okay. Understand? Okay, everybody? So write down. %100% deduction allowed under section 35. Clear till here? But in actually books of accounts, what will happen? Actual books of accounts, what will happen? They will give on depreciation for 10 years, 15 years, whatever may be the life of the asset. So there will be differences from income tax point of view and accounting point of view. Clear till here? Now my simple question to you, which I had explained to you yesterday. We are giving 100% deduction of the cost of the asset, 15 crores. How much depreciation will we give extra? At what rate? Good, Mansi. Kushbu, Nitin. How much depreciation will give extra? At what rate? Nitin? Okay. But so yesterday we discussed, if 100 rupees is the cost of the asset, I can take maximum benefit of 100 rupees, either through deduction or through depreciation. If my cost of the asset was 100, I can't take benefit of more than 100 right now. Okay? Clear till here? That was the one of the last points बच्चों in additional depreciation table. The last point was additional depreciation will not be allowed, and on that portion for which you are already claiming deduction, बच्चों rupees 15 crores you have spent on the machinery, 15 crores is allowed 100% directly, immediately, as good as P&L debit. So how will they बच्चों again separately allow you depreciation? Okay, so very important. Okay, so write down. Therefore, no normal and no additional depreciation. Clear? Do you remember PGBP computation? PGBP computation, है ना? Net profit. They were not given us in the question, but I'm asking you. We start from net profit as per P&L. Correct, Ilya? You tell me, bachcho, what will you do in the computation of PGBP of this 15 crores? Let us say net profit as per P&L, 100 crores. What will you do? Add or less of this 15 crores, 1.5. Less. Very good, Mansi. Less. Because that item is not debited to P&L, obviously, but it is allowed as deduction. Yes or no? So we will reduce the net profit. The word itself is what about deduction. Clear? I'll go ahead, all of you. Fine? Where was I? And your rupees 85 crore is your new plant and machinery. Simple. Is your new plant and machinery, hai na? So here we will allow additional normal depreciation as well as additional depreciation. Okay? So I'm writing here both normal and additional depreciation allowed. Clear till here? Chalo, let's go ahead, everybody. So computation of total depreciation allowable for Mr. Gamma for AY 23-24. Fine. Particulars. Normal depreciation rupees, additional depreciation rupees. Fine till here? Can we go ahead? First one. We can start with those three categories. Indrajit, correct. First category, second hand machinery. Now, luckily in the question, bachcho, different dates are not given for different machineries. What is the date to be considered? I mean, I'm telling you the answer is full depreciation. There is no doubt about it. It is full depreciation will give. But which date did we check? 1st January, 1st May or 1st June? Let me check your thinking. Let me ask you another question before this. When is my PY starting in the business? Because it is a new business. When is my PY starting? Give me the date. Just type the date. Okay, Indrajit. All of you tell me, when is my PY starting? Previous year, when will it start? There are 3 dates in front of you. 1st January, 1st May, 1st June. Answer quickly, Kushbu, Nitin, Mansi. Okay, Kushbu. Nitin, Mansi, what do you think? When is my PY starting? Previous year. Okay, Mansi. Nitin? Mansi, why that date? Why? Are 20? Nitin, give me month na baba. Everything is 22 only. Date, but dates are different, Nitin. Okay. See, first of all, if you remember chapter number 1, basics we have done, your PY can be less than a year. Okay, Nitin, so it need not always be 12 months. Now he's starting some business in January. The unit was set up on May and the manufacturing is starting in June. If you remember section number 3, explanation to section number 3, I think. Explanation it was, I think, or something was there. The word used over there in section 3 is bacho. Date of set up. Okay, I've been telling you this, I think, in that chapter also. Date of setup. Your PY starts on PY, I said PY, previous year starts on date of setup. So PY bacho is, in this example, is starting from 1st May. But not necessarily my depreciation should start also on 1st May. My depreciation start bacho, for that what wording are important. Just like section 3 PY date of setup is important. For depreciation bacho, what is the word is important. From that day my depreciation starts. Very good, Mansi. Put to use. So my machinery setup is, I'm not using it. My machinery is set up on 1/5, I'm not using it. My manufacturing bacho is starting on 1st June. Over that time bacho I'm using it. Putting to use or no. This much is bacho. You have to understand now. Understood, Kushbu, Nitin? Clear, Mansi, Indrajit, all okay? So PY starts on date of setup, depreciation bacho starts on date put to use. Clear? Should I go ahead? Chalo. And it is now date to put to use is June. That means it is more than 180 days. Therefore full depreciation. That is the logic. Chalega? All okay? Chalo. So the normal depreciation hai na? So rupees, what is the asset? 20 crores, no? Into 15%. Okay, everybody? So 3 crores. Fine. Then plant and machinery for scientific research. Now rupees 15 crore. Not allowed. Not allowed. Fine. And third is what? New plant and machinery. Or rupees 85 crore. So rupees 85 crore into 15% and 85 crore into 20%. Fine. This is 12.75, I think, crores, and this is 17 crores, I think. Okay. See, totaling and calculation is not a big thing. Concepts are more important, है ना? Total normal depreciation 15.75 and total additional only 17. Therefore, total depreciation under section 32. $32.75 crore. Fine. Done till here, all of you? Question number 52. If you want me to wait, just type a message wait, or you can unmute. 52. Ready? Good. Okay, Indrajit. Profit and loss account. Now gross profit is brought down. Okay. I'll look at the incomes first. By interest, have they given us which interest it is? No, we'll check that. Okay. Export incentives. Did we do this concept? Export incentives. I think we have done the concept of incentive. Incentive means like subsidy, grant by the government. Is it your income or not your income? Obviously it is income and it is clear cut given in section 28 also, charging section. Export incentive, I think these words are used. These words are used. Okay, this word is used in section 28. Okay, charging section. Clear till here? Sale of land, 2 lakhs. What do you think? Now they have not given us the business of assessee, but normally, what do they say? It is capital, it is revenue or capital? It is capital. You know? And what about dividend? Which head of income it should go into normally again? Revenue is okay, dividend. But head of income, yes. iOS, very good, correct, very good. Very good, Nitin, correct. Yes, Nitin, correct. Income from other sources. So basically, see, this is a whatever, the proprietor or person, individual, and that is his P&L balance sheet. Okay, everybody? So he's putting all these incomes in the credit, no problem. But if they ask us only business income, then we can't consider sale on land, dividend, etc. है कि नहीं बच्चों? Clear till here? Then check. What are the debits, expenditure? Insurance premium for plant and machinery. Section number. Fatafat. Tell me section number. $31. Very good. Then municipal taxes paid for office and municipal taxes which are paid for residence. Okay. Depreciation. This is book depreciation. Book depreciation means depreciation as per books of account. Clear? And then you have net profit. Clear till here? Interest bachcho over here, write down. Is it given to us that he is in the business of money lending? No. So the interest which he has earned will be through investments. Okay. So this is directly bachcho here, write down for clarification also. Write down by interest on FD. Okay, bank deposits. Fine till here? Just give a clarification over there. Chalega? Then ready? Now new plant was purchased on 1/4/22, rupees 6 lakhs put to use on 2/12/22. New plant was purchased on 1/4/22, rupees 3 lakhs put to use on 1/12/22. Both same. Okay. Second hand plant. ठीक है. Second hand plant purchased 4 lakhs put to use on 3rd April 22. Opening WDV of plant and machinery is 4 lakhs. Fine. Fine till here. Just a minute, बच्चों. Make a change over here. Make it 1st March over here. Okay, 1st March. It was purchased on 1st March 22, put to use on 1st December 22. Fine till here? I'm doing it 1st March 22. Ready? So calculate business income. Write down. Computation of business income. Computation of business income. Ready? Particulars rupees. Find लिया. Computation business income of so and so as a C for AY. So right now net profit as per P&L. What is the net profit given to you बच्चों? 1674,500 है ना? So that is our starting figure. Find लिया. Now बच्चों first focus on the credits. Okay, first focus बच्चों on the credit. For your understanding, I'll just draw a T format of P&L. You know, these are debits, these are credits. Expense, income. Clear till here? Should I go ahead? Interest on FD. Is it a PGBP item? First of all, tell me this. All of you understand. Is it a PGBP item? Answer is no. Okay, so I will remove the credit. My net profit will increase or decrease. All of you answer. All of you answer. Okay, Mansi, Indrajit, Khushbu, Nitin answer. Nitin. Decrease. This much you understood. I am removing the credit. Okay, I am removing the bachcho credit side. Clear till here, all of you? So, less income chargeable under other heads. Now, whatever other heads we don't care, we are just simply removing it from PGBP. Therefore, removing it from the P&L credit, my net profit bachcho will decrease. So, that's why I am using the word less first. FD interest 1,50,000. Sale of land, okay, 2 lakhs. And third, dividend income 1,10,000. Alright, clear all of you? So right now, in a way, we have taken care of the credit side, as well as there is no adjustment given for the credit side. There is unrecorded income or income is missed or something this and that. Nothing is given to us. Okay. Come to the debit side. Insurance premium for plant and machinery allowed, also debited. So no adjustment required here. Then municipal taxes paid for office and for residence. Any adjustment required here, bachcho? All of you? Yes, Garrett, Mansi. Khushbu, Nathan, what do you think? We don't allow bachcho personal expenditure. That will be a very basic thing. Okay? We don't allow personal expenditure to be debited to P&L. Okay? Because otherwise all your food expenses, movie expenses, clothing expenses, everything will put as business expenditure. So, only those expenditures are allowed which are wholly and so exclusively for business purpose. I am using the word bachcho, wholly and exclusively for business purpose. Okay, fully 100% and only for business purpose. Clear till here? Yeah, understood? So that expenditure bachcho will not be allowed. I am repeating the word, okay? That expenditure bachcho will not be allowed. Will not be allowed also means disallowed. Clear? Also called as disallowances. One and the same thing. Not allowed, disallowed, disallowances. Okay, very good. Okay, Nitin. So now I will remove the debit. It is debited to P&L. It is but currently debited to P&L. I will remove the debit. I will remove the expenditure. My profit will increase. Add. Done till here, all of you? And what about depreciation, bachu? We do not allow book depreciation, simple. Okay, so again add, okay? We call it as book depreciation or depreciation as per books or books of accounts. Okay, same thing. So it is ready-made figure given to us, 2 lakhs. But what will we allow? Will we allow income tax depreciation? Yes. So this debit removed, but income tax depreciation allowed. So I'll write down much less. Understood or no? Very important now. Clear? But for that we'll have to do working note 1. That is the only adjustment required over there. So write down your taxable business income. You know? Ready? So what is we have to calculate? Your income tax. So write down working note 1. Depreciation calculation. Okay. So particulars. Normal depreciation. We are assuming, okay, we'll write a note if you're required. We are assuming the assessee is in the manufacturing business, okay. Plant is there, but that may not be conclusive. So we'll write another note, okay. We just assume that he is into manufacturing, okay. Why? Because we are taking normal depreciation as well as additional depreciation. See, this questions extra I have made and given it to you. It is for conceptual clarity. Fine. The first 10-20 questions you will see they are from ICS study material. Let me be very honest. Your ICS study material is not enough. I'll do 20 questions and the syllabus is over. Okay. But that actually honestly does not make you exam ready. Ready, bachcho? Chalo. Do we have OPWDV? Yes, we have. Is there a sale in the question? Tell me this. Is there any sale of the assets in the question? No. Okay, everybody. So we can directly take bachcho on OPWDV. Okay. So no issues. OPWDV is rupees 4 lakhs. So rupees 4 lakhs into what, bachcho? 15%. Okay. 60,000. And additional how much, bachcho? What rate? Tell me. Okay, Indrajit. Good. Because we give additional depreciation but only for new assets, and that also in the first year of put to use. Simple. Clear? Good. Nice. Happy. So, on additions, new assets है ना? Now there are total बच्चों I think 3 assets purchased. Put to use this category. Then March category. Yes, still here? है ना? And immediately put to use that one. 3rd April. Fine till here? Let's go one by one. First one tell me बच्चों. Put to use 2/12/22. Purchase 1/4/22. Is the purchase and put to use in the same year? Yes. Is put to use बच्चों less than 180 days? Yes. Is it a new plant and machinery? Yes. Will we give both normal and additional? Very good, Kushbu. Yes. But will we give full or half? Very good, Indrajit. Yes. Nitin, yes, correct. Half. Correct, Elio? Very good, Bachu. Very good. So, rupees 6 lakhs. Put to use 2/12/22. Six lakhs into 7.5% and 6 lakhs into 10%. Fine. आगे बढ़े. Let's go ahead, everybody. Sorry, the 60,000 over here, and over here it is how much? 45,000, I think. है ना? Okay. Second, new plant and machinery बच्चों purchase on 1/3/22. I have made the changes. Please be careful over there. But put to use on 1/12/22. Is the purchase and sale in the same financial years? Purchase and put to use is not in the same financial years. Okay. When will we get the depreciation? Will we get the depreciation in the current year or no? From 1/12/22, we will get depreciation or no? In the current year. The question is, bachcho, full or half? Full. We'll get bachcho full. Only Khushbu answered correctly. Good, Khushbu. Because we have done this question. That's why. That's why I get surprised. Okay, this same question bachcho we have done. Last case. And we have done star mark also. That is the year of purchase and put to use you are not in the same year. Then in the year of put to use, there is no concept of half depreciation. You will get entire full depreciation. Clear till here? Remember, give a star mark over here also. Wherever you make mistakes by yourself, you can make a star mark. Okay, that is because for your understanding. Everybody may understand, may not understand immediately. So that is okay. But give a star mark whenever you make a mistake in the notebook. Clear? Or you had some other point of view. Okay, let's start. Because you will know where you have done mistakes. So, since year of purchase and put to use are different, therefore full depreciation. Therefore full depreciation. Fine till here? So it is about rupees 3 lakhs, no? Fine, everybody? So 45,000 again here. Correct, no? Same figures. In here 60,000. Fine till here, all of you? And third one, second hand plant and machinery. Rupees 4 lakhs. But put to use immediately on 3rd April, bachcho. So we'll give full depreciation, but we will not give additional. $60,000. Done. Give me total. First one was what? 45. Okay. 90 and 120. Correct? Correct, no? So 210, is it? 210,000? Correct. This is how much? 60 and 60, 120. This will be allowed. And book depreciation bachcho was only 2 lakhs. है ना? We are allowing bachcho 3,30,000. Yes, Celia? Fine. In your main answer? Please be very careful wherever there is less, put immediately in bracket, and please be careful of the plus and the minuses. Okay? Done? All of you? What is the answer? Total taxable income? 10 lakh 86. Okay. So from 16 lakh, bachcho we have in fact reduced to 10 lakh. Fine till here? Question number 53 for homework. Just make a small change in question number 53. Make it 21 for case number 3 and 4. The remaining is for 22, okay? Fine till here? Only for case 3 and 4. Date of acquisition, bachcho, I am taking given you 2021. Is it okay? That you can try as homework. Chorus. That is crore, baba. You know? Fine till here? Will you try it? All of you? Question number 8. Did you try? Okay. Ready? Mr. X set up a manufacturing unit in Warangal in the state of Telangana on 1/6/22. It invested rupees 30 crore in new plant and machinery on 1 June 22. Further, it invested 25 crore in the plant and machinery on 1/11/22. Out of which 5 crore was second hand plant and machinery. Computer operation allowed under section 32. Is Mr. X entitled for any other benefit? If so, what is the benefit? Leave that, forget this line. Okay, any other extra benefit, just leave that. Did you calculate? All of you. Give me the final answer of rupees and crores, I think, of total depreciation. Very good, Mansi. Correct, Khushbu. Okay, fine. Additionally, could not. Okay, no problem. Write down quickly. If you're done still, I'll just quickly write down particulars. Normal. Additional depreciation. Is it okay? You can make 2 columns now. Do you have opening balance? No, it is a new unit, बच्चों है ना. So first, this I'm writing in a very simple way. Okay, I'm writing in very rough. Okay, new P&M, the 30 crore one. Is it put to use for more than 180 days? Yes. So 30 crores into 15%. Is it new and it is manufacturing? Yes. So 30 crore into 20%. Fine till here. This is 4.5 crore. And this is 6 crores. Rupees in crores. Fine. Second plant and machinery, 25 crores. Out of which 5 crore was second hand. So new is how much? 20 crore. Out of 25, 20 crore. But 111, therefore half depreciation. Currently, this 15, 1.5. How much? 1.5. Done. And third, second hand. Five crore. Yes, till here? Again, that 5 crore belongs out of 25. I hope you know. So again, over there we are giving half, but here we will not give any additional depreciation. So here 5 crore into 7.5%. Yes, 0.375. Total of normal 6.375, additional 8, $14.375. Done till here? Come back to your textbook. Near depreciation. Done? All of you okay? Check here, a circular was given by CBDT. Okay. Printing, publishing will be considered as manufacturing. Okay. So for if at all the business is in printing, publishing, additional depreciation will be allowed. Clear? Then next one. Pay attention. What is our calculation for closing WDV? Opening. Pay attention. Opening plus additions minus sale. Then we have balance and then less depreciation. We get our closing WDV. Correct? So opening plus additions. One, what do we add? But we add the actual cost of the asset. And how do we calculate actual cost? Is whatever is the cost of the asset, hai na? Plus or minus something may or may not be allowed extra. Clear? Now whenever you do bacho, what do you say? Capitalization. That means you capitalize the asset. We also capitalize the installation charges. Yes or no? Transport charges, installation charges, whatever, till the time it is put to use, whatever expenditure was required, incurred, it is also capitalized in nature, because it is ancillary related to the main capital expenditure. Yes? Fine. So understand. Whether assessee incurs any expenditure, okay, for acquisition of any asset or part thereof, in respect of which basically is acquiring asset, okay, acquisition asset, in respect of which a payment or aggregate of payments, okay, single payment or multiple payments made to a person in a day. Payment can be one payment or multiple payments, but what is singular compulsorily? The recipient is singular. Are you getting my point or no? There is seller, there is buyer. Your assessee is buyer of the asset. Are haan ya na? Your assessee is what bacho? Buyer of the asset. So buyer is giving the money to the seller. Either one single stroke or he is paying in installments. But installments also means what bacho? He is paying throughout the day. Some amount in morning, some amount in afternoons and some amount in evening. Whatever it is. But the seller was only one party, so we are giving to the seller. So made to a person in a day. Okay? So your assessee is a buyer of asset and he is making payment to the seller. Clear? In a single day. In a single day. So entire payment or whatever payment is done in a day. Otherwise than by. Otherwise means bacho, apart from this. So opposite, hai na? Otherwise means other way around. Okay? So otherwise than by an account pay check drawn on a bank, or account pay bank draft, or use of electronic clearing system through a bank account, okay, or other prescribed mode, okay. If it exceeds rupees 10,000, okay, then such expenditure shall be ignored for the purpose of determination of actual cost. Means what? Basically, what are they trying to tell you? Though there is a big restriction on modes of payment. Very important. There is what? A big restriction on modes of payment. Means what? You can't do cash transaction of more than 10,000. If you buy an asset for which you are paying cash of more than even 10,000 rupees, whatever you are paid in cash, 15,000, 20,000, 1 lakh rupees, will be completely not considered as the cost of the asset. Did you understand or no? So it is just not about P&L debit or balance sheet asset. It is, we have to also check the modes of payment. Are you getting my point or no? So the mode of payment is not, okay, is not account pay check, bank draft or electronic clearing system or other prescribed modes. If not, okay, that also more than 10,000, then that expenditure bacho is not to be added in the cost of the asset. Clear or no? Tell me. Understood? Kushbu Nitin Mansi, Indrajit. Fine? Okay. So what are the modes of electronic modes of payment allowed? Credit card, debit card, net banking, IMPS, UPI, RTGS, NEFT, and your Aadhaar Pay, etc. Bhim, Aadhaar Pay, etc. Basically, what is discouraged over here, bachcho? What do you think? Cash transactions are discouraged. Simple. No. Or you can say cash transaction only up to 10,000 will be allowed. Okay? Do you know what is a bearer check and account pay check? Khushbu? Okay, fine, good. Account paying, that means you put those two lines on the check, hai na? Clear till there, all of you? Fine. So that kind of transaction will be allowed, but a bearer check will not be allowed. Bearer check doesn't have any of those kind of lines on that, transverse lines on the check. Cash transaction, see whatever it will be allowed only in that case up to 10,000. If it is even if you paid cash in 11,000, entire 11,000 bachu will not be allowed towards the cost of the asset. Clear till here? Do we have any such kind of provision in accounting or accounting standards? The answer is no. Absolutely not. Okay? So just for the sake of example, if you buy a computer for 40,000 cash, buy a computer bacho for 40,000 cash, accounting point of view you will capitalize it. Income tax bacho point of view, there is no asset only over there. Are you getting my point or no? Why no asset? Because it is just there physically, but we'll say actual cost is zero bacho. Why actual cost is zero? Because you paid cash of more than rupees 10,000 in a day to a person. Yes, you can ask me various questions, sir. What if you pay in couple of days, number of days, XYZ days, 4 days, then it will be allowed. But if in a single day you are making more than 10,000 payment to a person, single recipient, then bacho, more than 10,000, then entire amount of that will be disallowed. Clear? Are haan? Done till here? So these special cases also will read and come on, if not done. Come to question number 54, 54. Ready, all of you? No. If paid in cash more than 10,000, it is not to be added in the cost of the asset. So ultimately you are losing the depreciation. Yes. Okay. Just now I gave you the example of computer, laptop you purchase for 40,000 cash. For income tax there is no laptop only then of 40,000, no depreciation only then. Okay, because cost of asset will be taken as 0. Asset is there, but cost will be taken as 0. Fine. Read the question. Mr. XYZ, whatever, purchased plant and machinery of rupees 10 lakhs on 1/4/22. Expenses on transportation, then income department will treat as black. No, not really, not always. You see, it is not the case. I withdraw from my bank account and I pay cash 40,000. That is not an issue because I'm withdrawing from my bank. So when I got the money, I have already declared it. What I do with my money is of no relevance. But if I'm using it for business purpose and then I'm paying cash, so they are discouraging to pay by cash. So in fact, it is from basically recipient point of view. Now, if I pay cash, if I pay 40,000 in check or 40,000 in cash, my expenditure is 40,000 practically. Yes? But it is in fact savior or saving for recipient if he gets 40,000 in cash. That's why the department is saying this is putting a restriction on the spender, the person who is payer, who is giving the money, that you should not give cash. Okay? There are people who say, okay, if you pay by cash, we will not give you this obviously invoice. So 18% less GST. Possible. But it means what? As good. It is a parallel economy, parallel. As good as the transaction never existed actually practically as accounted, or you can say shown in the books of accounts. You know? Cash transactions. So there can be a benefit to the buyer also. 18% less GST. You know? Okay. He bought the machine for 10 lakhs. Expenses on transportation and installation for 40,000 and 60,000 respectively. Transportation 40, installation 60. Before commencement of production, the trial run expenses were 80,000. Goods from trial run were sold at rupees 50,000. Okay. Compute depreciation, no problem. See, understand, it is plant and machinery, etc. But to calculate depreciation, we should also have actual cost with us, no? Clear or no? We should have what? Actual cost. Clear till here? And now in fact, this question is about calculation of actual cost of the asset. All amounts paid by account pay check, except installation charges. How much were installation charges? 60,000. Paid in cash on one single day. Can I capitalize that amount now? 60,000, tell me, all of you. Can I capitalize it now? Understood? 60,000 rupees. Tell me all of you. Can I capitalize or no? 60,000 rupees. I cannot capitalize that amount. Okay, from income tax point of view. From income tax point of view, my cost of asset will not include rupees 60,000, correct. But from accounting point of view, everything is allowed. And accounting doesn't talk about cash or any kind of normal transaction. Okay, everybody? Yes? So should I go ahead? Okay, everybody? So let us computation of actual cost and depreciation for AY 23-24. Simple. Particulars rupees. Fine. So, the invoice price is how much? Invoice, the normal of the basic plant and machinery, 10 lakhs, okay? So, I'm just writing cost of plant and machinery. 10 lakhs. Can I add transportation or no? Yes. So, add transportation charges. How much? 40,000. I'm writing here add Installation, I'm just writing the word installation charges, and in outer column I'll write dash. Okay. Now why bacho not allowed? Because it is paid in cash, or I'll use the word other than prescribed mode, more than 10,000, more than 10,000 in a day to a single person. Okay. So not allowed since payment in cash exceeding rupees 10,000 to a person in a single day. Yes or no? So not allowed. Okay. Then there are again trial run expenses. So yes, we will add that also in the cost of asset. Okay, add trial run expenses. $80,000. But if there is income also from in that stage, we will reduce that. Okay, so sale from trial run production. How much? 50,000 income. Okay, everybody. So, therefore, actual cost of the asset, actual cost of plant and machinery. How much, bachcho? Is it 1070? 10 lakh 70. See, other details are not given to us. When was it actually put to use? Is it given to us? Put to use. When was the trial run done? We don't know. Or trial run commenced and all of that put to use. And we don't know manufacturing also. So I'll simply say assumed put to use more than 180 days, and I'm ignoring additional depreciation. Okay, because it is not given in the data. Okay, fine, whatever, it depends on you. How much? 1,65,100, is it right? And we want, you can take, you just write down additional depreciation. $2,14,000. Okay, everybody? How much is this? 3,74,500. Is it right, everybody? Correct, no? Keep a pencil or a page over there, okay? Go back to the theory. Special cases. Here keep a pencil here or keep a pencil there, but yes, you have to refer that quickly here and there, okay? Everyone ready? Read this point number 3. Chalo quickly.
Recording stopped.
Done? Point number 3. Okay.
Recording in progress.
So actual cost means the actual cost of the asset paid by the assessee, reduced by that portion if that expenditure is met by any other person or even government or any other authority. In this government grant relating to a depreciable asset, it has to be reduced from the WDV of the actual cost. I mean, if you receive the grant later on from the government. Okay. Finally, here. Come back to question number 55. Ready? Ready, all of you? Okay. Subsidy of rupees 8 lakhs is received for purchase of building of rupees 50 lakhs. Cost of building is how much? 50. And subsidy receipt is how much? 8. Calculate depreciation on building. First, we'll do one by one, okay? First case. So, case 1. Rupees in lakhs. Yes, Indrajit. Actual cost of building. $50 less subsidy received 8. Therefore, cost for income tax purpose. Therefore, actual cost for income tax. Therefore, simply take what you depreciation and what rate I'll take? Building, come on. Normal depreciation bachcho is how much? Normally for building. All of you. Type quickly. 10% correct. Yes, 4.2. Correct till here? Case 2. Done till here, all of you? Case 2. What if, okay? Subsidy received for purchase of building 50 lakhs and land of rupees 3 crores. Subsidy received is 8 lakhs only. But in cumulative budget is 8 lakhs to buy land and building. But the cost of land is 3 crores and the cost of building is 50 lakhs. Okay? From where will we reduce subsidy, bachcho? will reduce from both. Even if land is not a depreciable asset, but still from accounting, not from accounting, from income tax point of view also, we'll have to apportion between building and land. But now in which ratio? Their actual cost ratio, 50 lakhs and 3 crores. Understood or no, everybody? Huh? Understood or no, everybody? Kushbo? Okay, write down. Case 2. Subsidy received of rupees 8 lakhs to purchase land of rupees 3 crores and building of rupees 50 lakhs. है ना? Fine. Therefore, subsidy will be reduced from both land and building in their cost ratio. Okay. Therefore, for building rupees 8 lakhs into 50 lakhs बच्चों upon 350 lakhs. How 350 lakhs? 3 crores बच्चों 300 lakhs only ना. I am keeping everything into lakhs only, or at least the ratio should be of same units, no? So total, the ratio is what? 50 lakhs and 300 lakhs. So apportion I will do 50 upon 350. This much you understood or no? And for land, rupees 8 lakhs into 300 lakhs upon 350 lakhs. Simple ले लिया. It is what? Just rupees 1.14286 something. And here rupees 6.8571 lakhs. Yes. Done till here. Okay. And rupees in lakhs. For income tax, obviously we are not going to depreciate land, but for understanding purpose, there's 48.85714 and there's 293.1429 something. You can just confirm, just check everything is all right. Right, all of you? Come back to theory. Near depreciation. Special cases for homework, bachcho. Just read and come everything properly. Special cases. Check point number 10 over there. Everyone there? Interest or borrowing cost. Borrowing cost or interest means what? We have taken loan. We have taken loan for the purpose of plant and machinery. So whenever you are repaying the loan, that interest, do we capitalize that till the date of put to use? In accounting also we do all the cost but till the installation, है ना? We capitalize it. We capitalize it, बच्चों, ठीक है? So here also, when if at all you have taken loan till the date put to use, we capitalize it, and the interest after capitalization or the interest charged or whatever accrued after date of put to use, very good, will be P&L. Very good. It will be a revenue expenditure. Very good. But section 30 to 37, bachcho, overall talks about all the deductions. In that, come to section number 36, page number 7.18. 36, bachcho, what? Certain deductions are given to us under section 36. Okay, all of you? Overall 30 to 37 was all deductions, na? Allowed expenditures. So one of them which we are discussing now, allowed expenditure as 36.13. Ready? Check. Interest on borrowed capital. Loan taken, na? So loan taken on that interest. The interest paid in respect of capital borrowed for the purpose of business or profession shall be allowed as deduction. Means what? Personal loan interest allowed or not allowed? Personal loan interest not allowed. Definitely, bachcho, not allowed. Clearly here? I am telling you, every expenditure, bachcho, only has to be for business and profession only, wholly and exclusively. If it has no business connection, not allowed. Just for simple example, I'll give you, if I go for some personal tour and travel, vacation, that expenditure is not allowed. But if I go for a business meeting, all entire expenditure, bachcho, will be allowed. Yes, legally speaking. Ready? Next point. The interest paid in respect of capital borrowed for acquisition of an asset for any period beginning from the date on which the capital was borrowed for acquisition of the asset till the date on which the asset was put to use shall not be allowed as deduction. Important. Simply, bachcho, what are they saying? Any interest, okay, accruing from date of loan till the date asset is put to use will not be allowed as deduction in profit and loss account. Are haan, everybody clear? So which one will be allowed? All the interest, bachcho, after the date of put to use will be allowed in from P&L point of view, P&L, from deduction point of view. Okay, till here? Tell me okay? Okay, everybody? Should we take a 10-minute break after this question? Is it okay? I'll be taking lecture till 1:30, 1:40 almost. Okay? Ready? Children, notebook write down. Okay. Come to question number 56. Write down, bachcho, chalo. Come to question number 56. Ready, all of you? Give us a star mark here. Different question. Okay? Everyone there? Ready? Chalo. XYZ Limited, a manufacturing company. Manufacturing is therefore, we can take additional depreciation. Purchase P&M on 1/4/22 of rupees 10 lakhs. After taking a loan of 70%, okay, from bank, the plant and machinery was put to use on 1/2/23. Interest on loan is 12% per annum. Payment to supplier made on 1/5/22. When was the asset purchase? 1/4/22. Okay. Loan is not fully paid, that means the entire principal amount is pending. Calculate closing WDV. Do you want to try? Try. Chalo, try. I want closing WDV.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
I'll just give you a timeline, whatever has happened, no? So that you can then draw by or do it in rough. So try. Pen drive students also tried. Come on. Give me closing WDV. So you start the video again only after having some answer, okay?
Recording stopped.
Try. Okay. Are you giving me depreciation or closing WDV? Okay. I want closing WDV, no? Okay. ठीक है, fine. All right. खुशबू मानसी. Okay. Okay. Good.
Recording in progress.
All right. I got various answers for closing WDV. Pen drive students, I hope. So I thought around 11. That's why I was wondering there is one more zero missing out. I thought you were saying 11 lakhs. But cost itself is what? 10 lakhs. Na? So yes, obviously closing WDV we should be less than 10 lakhs. Pen drive students, I hope even you got some answers. Something like this. Okay, let's try. Chalo. Some things purposely I did not write in the timeline. What is the loan amount? Tell me, type quickly or unmute. What is the loan amount? Loan of 70%. Loan is of 7 lakhs. Okay? Fine. Then, put to use bachcho is on 1st Feb 23. This much you agree? How much will I capitalize? Whatever bachcho interest capitalized. And I am right now concerned with that only, na? Okay, everybody? Whatever it is. 10 months, na? Indrajit, why 11 months? February not to be counted, na? Done till here, all of you? The cost of asset 10 lakhs. In that much, obviously, I'll add what? Interest cost. Hey, Kenny, everybody? No opening WDV, no additions. And on the cost of asset, I'll take my what? Half depreciation. Half both. Half of normal, half of additional. I'll get my closing WDV. Okay, let's try. Chalo. 77 lakhs loan at what rate? 12% per annum. ठीक है? I'll go ahead. So write down. Interest from date of borrowing till date put to use. है ना? That is बच्चों 10 months. Okay. Will be added in the cost of asset. Will be added in the cost of asset. Right, Ilya? So first बच्चों will find out the interest amount for 10 months, है ना? My loan amount itself will be 7 lakhs. Don't forget that. So 7 lakhs into 12% into for how many? How much months? But 10 months. 10 by 12. How much this amount comes to? How many of you got this amount properly in the first try itself? I think you took for 11 months maybe, Mansi. Maybe, I don't know. Or 9, you did. You are close to the answer. I don't know what mistake you did. To 70,000. All of you okay here? Now what is the actual cost for income tax purpose? Okay? Understood, no? Original cost 10 lakhs. Add interest on borrowed capital. $70,000. Yes? $10 lakh 70. Find Leo. Simply on this, we'll add we'll reduce our depreciation. Add additions. Are there any additions? No. Less sale. Are there any sales? No. Okay, so that is my balance. Therefore, less depreciation. Normal depreciation. But so tell me full or half. How much will we take? Full or half? We'll take बच्चों half. Okay, half na papa. Put to use. Look at the date. Put to use is 1st Feb. No. Therefore, बच्चों rupees 10 lakh 70,000 into what? 7.5%. Is it okay, all of you? Arey haan. That comes to 80,000, 250 something. Is it right? And second, additional depreciation. Again on bachcho 10 lakh 70,000. How much percentage? 10% is 1 lakh 7,000. Yes. Therefore, closing WDV is 882 750. What mistake you did, Mansi? Okay. So you said 868 something, I think.
Sir, I deducted the 14,000 rupees of next 2 months.
Okay. That is allowed, but from P&L, not from the asset, no? That is a P&L debit item, no? That is allowed as deduction, but from profit and loss account. Just a small note I am writing here, bachcho. Which depreciation I can consider in the next year also. Means some amount can I consider. Correct. Half of the remaining additional depreciation bachcho can take in the next year also. Which one? Sorry, write down. 1,07,000. Additional Baba. What are you doing in the Jeet? Will also be allowed in the next year. Fine. Should I go ahead, everybody? Chalo, good. Come back to special cases. Come on, everybody. Come back to special cases. You should revise regularly, na bachcho. Revise regularly. बाप रे. हाँ ठीक है, दे दे भाई. चप्पल रख, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. थैंक यू. Come to page 7.9. All of you there? Kushbo, sleeping, no? Good. So read this point quickly, everybody. Proviso 5 to section 32(1). Depreciation in case of succession, amalgamation and demerger. Basically, the assessees are mixing with each other. Amalgamation, demerger, or basic amalgamation means mixing together. Demerger means they are not mixing; they are getting separated. Yes, Shilya. But asset was purchased by one assessee. Now it will be used by two different assessees in the new, you can say, entity. Or asset was purchased by one assessee and now it is getting split between two assessees. In that case, we'll have to bachcho split the depreciation also and read the point. Okay, read the law quickly.
Recording stopped.
Once done, let me know. Done?
Recording in progress.
See, depreciation shall be calculated at specified rates, no doubt about it. As if no business restructuring has taken place. That means what? Temporarily ignore that there are different assessees. Just like in house property we should do for co-ownership. You know? So calculate for the year basically. And then apportion in the ratio. But what is it? That is most important is this. Number of days for which the assets were used by them in the following cases. Understood? Now whatever, amalgamating an amalgamated company, demerged and the resulting company, if there is a conversion from firm to company, or in case of conversion of firm into company, sole proprietor into company, or whatever, same thing. An unlisted company and LLP in case of conversion of unlisted company into LLP, okay, and succession to business otherwise than on death. Succession to business, but not because of death. Okay. Succession means again passing over to somebody else. Basically, what is most important for us? Calculate for the entire year whatever the depreciation and apportion based on number of days. Clear till here? Come to question number 3. Fine, all of you. Question number 3. Ready? And over here, please write down split of depreciation case. है ना? Split of depreciation case. Chalo. Ready? Sai Limited has a block of assets carrying 15% rate of depreciation. Block 15%. Whose WDV as on opening day was 40 lakhs. Sai Limited purchased another asset. It is a second-hand plant and machinery of the same block, 15% plant and machinery, on 1/11/22 for 14.4 lakhs and put to use on the same day. So 11, okay, we will take 11 as November as put to use. Sai Limited was Amla Gamla with Shirdi Limited, but with effect from 1/1/23, new year, new amalgamation. Now the bachcho, I mean they are observed together, now they became together, now they came together, bachcho, amalgamated, okay? You are required to compute depreciation allowable to Sai Limited and Shirdi Limited for the previous year ended 31/3/23, assuming that assets were transferred to Shirdi Limited at rupees 60 lakhs. That is not our concern. We only have to bachcho apportion depreciation. Are हाँ, correct? No. Ready? Sure. Is there opening WDV? Yes. Are there, I think, 2 purchases? No, only one. Only one purchase, na? So one opening WDV and one purchase. Clear till here, second hand, correct. But a purchase was done before amalgamation, bachcho. If you look in the question, purchase was done in November, amalgamation was in January. Clear till here? Basically, the purchase was before amalgamation. Who did the purchase? Sai Limited or Shirdi Limited? Tell me. Who did the purchase of the asset? Sai Limited, bachcho. Clear? Because it was before amalgamation. Amla Gamla. Chalo. Write down a timeline quickly. Ready? So 1/4/22. Opening WDV of Sai Limited. Rupees बच्चों, how much? 40 lakhs is it? 40 है ना? 1/11, what happened? Sai Limited purchased. Sai Limited बच्चों purchased second hand P&M, rupees 14.4 lakhs. One 23 Sai Limited amalgamated with Shirdi Limited, and nothing here. 31st March 23 year end. Write down. Since assets were held by Sai Limited earlier and then later by Shirdi Limited, correct Leo? Then apportionment on basis of number of days to be done. Finally, Leo? Particulars, Sai Limited, Shirdi Limited. Ready? On opening WDP, बच्चों depreciation. Is there any sale? No, there is no sale. So opening WDP is rupees 40 lakhs. How much depreciation, बच्चों? Only 15%. Rupees 6 lakhs. Correct, Delia? This I hope you understand. This 6 lakhs you do apportion between Sai and Shirdi on number of days basis. Give me number of days. Okay, one day before. What is the amalgamation date? 1123. So 1123 bachcho is for new person. So up to 31st December 22. And here from 1/1/23 to 31st March 23. Thirty-one, 62, 62 and 28. 90, na? Yes, 90 and 275, correct. Clear, Liya? So how will you apportion? Simple, check here. ठीक है? I hope this is clear for all of you. Should I go ahead? Give me the numbers. Calculate. Is it 452,055? All of you? And it is minus 6 lakhs 147,945. Yes, Celia? Cool. Second, on additions, when is the addition बच्चों? 1, 11, 22. Therefore, rupees, how much it is purchased for? 14.4 lakhs into 7.5%. Correct, everybody? Half depreciation only, na? Which comes to 1,08,000. Apportion and give me for Sai this figure of 1,08,000. Apportion, try.
Recording stopped.
Once you're done, type the answer. Done? Okay, Indrajit. Okay. Okay, Kushbu. You gave me for Sai, na? Most of you, I mean, first column, yeah. 18,345. Okay. 18,049. Anything else? Mansi. You gave the answer? Okay. Okay, 81,370. Okay, okay. Fine. Alright. Kushbu also gave the answer. Kritika Jain. हाँ ठीक है 18049 ठीक है alright. Let's try.
Recording in progress.
Pendrive students, I hope even you got some answers for Sai Limited. I got all these answers. Alright. This 1,08,000. So that's the good thing is what I gave you the calculation of 1,08,000. Okay. Fine. I have to apportion 1,08,000. So I hope first common sense you understood. We're doing a portion of 1,08,000. So total should come to 1,08,000. Okay. Your total can't come less than 1,08,000. No? 1,08,000 you have to apportion between Sai and Shirdi. On what basis? Number of days basis. अरे हाँ, number of days basis बच्चों. Clear till here? अच्छा, how many days you took बच्चों in Sai type? Type number of days for Sai. Okay, Indrajit. All of you type bacho number of days for Sai. Right. Now you're getting correct answer, Nitin. How is the asset available for 365 days? Then why did you divide by 365? Right? All of you did it? Divide by 365? किया ना? माती खाया ना? Okay? So you calculate number of days correctly. But you do the asset as if it is for entire year. We do depreciation as if it was there without any amalgamation. है ना? You don't have to divide by 365. So check here from 1/11/22 to 31st December 22. Okay, that is I think 61 days. And here from 1/1/23 to 31st March 23. This is already we are done, but this is 90 days something. 90 days, okay? Are nalayako. But look at the total na. 60 plus 90, है ना? 151 days. Understood or no? So calculation is how much? 1,08,000 into 61 upon 151 and 1,08,000 into 90 upon 151. Understood or no? Clear? Star mark. Wherever you make mistake, star mark. Clear? This is 43, 629 I think, and 64, 371. Clear all of you? Total depreciation is I think what 4,59,000 check. Sorry, 495, 684 and 2,12,000, 316, something like this. Is it check? Is it correct? Check quickly. Calculation but you can do on your own. 57 for homework. Numbers are correct, tell me quickly once. $57 for homework, okay? You'll try? I'll just give you a format if you what all you want. Take it just simple format. How will you do? Question 57 because there are two companies and Y limit Bachu also has opening WTV. Okay, so simply just make two columns for one for X limited, another for Y limited. This much you can do. You will try. It is also a good question, okay? So many different questions I try to bring for you. 80 questions. Done till here? For your homework, this is what 57 and one more thing what? Read scientific expenditure and 35 AD. Everybody. And don't go yet, I have to still talk something with you. So 35 it is. हाँ theory ना, अरे इसकी तो So start, I mean you can start from your scientific expenditure, okay, page 7.11, read and count, 7.11, okay, this entire diagram, and 35 AD also, okay, read and come. Now in 35 AD you will see lots of lists over there later on. Over there only first three are most important for you, okay, all of you, yes, I mean you don't read the next one is also okay. Come to that page, chalo, come to that 7.14, hospital, hotel, 2 star and above, हाँ ठीक है, they are important. And first are important obviously, cold chain, agricultural produce, sugar, and then hospital and hotel, they are the most famous ones. At least you will read, हाँ माँ कसम, till here, read and come, okay, everybody, read and come. That is it for income tax for today बच्चों, ठीक है, don't go but yet.
Recording.